Welcome to this video on creating self-correcting worksheets using Google Sheets. In the last video, we provided examples of self-correcting activities and talked about the importance of prepping the materials before starting. This video will cover inserting the materials into your spreadsheet. I'm Ashley with the Southwest West Central Cooperative. To start, open all the materials you plan to use. For my example, I have a worksheet with triangles. I want students to use the provided measurements. I would provide the self-correcting activity to my students after we have learned this content. I would make sure my spreadsheet is also open. The process is the same regardless of if you're pulling off of a PDF or a PowerPoint slide when you created images. Use the snipping tool found in your Windows computer and snip the image you need for the first question. Copy the image and paste the image into your spreadsheet. Now, just because you put the image in doesn't make it self-correcting yet. When you just copy and paste the image into a spreadsheet, it doesn't necessarily copy into that specific cell. Notice I can click on the image and drag it anywhere on my spreadsheet. If you want the image to be in a specific cell, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the image and choose Put Image in a Selected Cell. Now it might go to a random cell. Just simply copy and paste it into the desired cell. Now when you adjust the size of your image, the cell size changes too. The second way to insert images into cells is to have all of the images pre-saved onto your computer. From there, choose Insert Image in a cell. My preference is to snip and then copy-paste the image into a cell, but choose the method that works best for you. After you have added the pictures or images you want for your activity, it's time to set up additional questions and answer boxes. Watch as I go through the process of setting up my activity. Remember, what I do is only a basic example, but feel free to format your activity to your liking and keep going until you have all of your problems in. The next video will cover how to set up the self-correcting part. Enjoy!